Good morning to everyone. I'm Pierluigi Grazian. I'm in charge of SIMEC Plan Department, and today I'm here to talk about the technical characteristic of the Infinity Dry and Catalysis oven. The main characteristic of this typology of oven line is that the material enters the oven supported by a tray, goes up, translates, and goes down inside the oven itself. Such solution allows to store a great quantity of material inside the oven, with a moderate height as to fit in the building that houses the whole plant. The slab lifting system of the Infinity oven is hydraulic, guaranteeing the highest reliability and accuracy standards. The plant has a compensation system of parallelism that assure a planar lifting of the tray thanks to use of linear bearings. Each hooking and lifting point of the tray is guided by a double ball bearing guide guaranteeing a fluid movement. In such a way, the movement of the material is extremely soft, with a low excursions, since every slab moves time by time of a stretch equal to the height of a level. Being designed to eliminate humidity from the material, an important factor when we're talking about the resin plant. While as regards to the catalysis version, we have a guarantee the maximum performance of the resin on the material. The Infinity system are available with electric or gas feeding solutions. In these ovens, the air is heated on a very wide surface by means of a radiant pipes or finned cooling coils, according to the type of supply. The heating elements are located on the two sides of the structure, directly inside the chambers. The high-performance irradiation heaters have a very quick starting and running times, making it possible to use the ovens even occasionally. Particular attention was given to the design of the ventilation system for the Infinity oven. In order to obtain homogeneous and properly directly air flows, very powerful fans have been used and special compression and expansion boxes have been made, in which the preheated air is compressed and forces out only through calibrated holes near the upper and lower side of each slab. This minimizes turbulence and concentrates the air flow only where necessary. The ventilation system of the Infinity ovens is cross-type, in which each slab is ventilated one after the other, first from the right and then from the left or vice versa. And now we can see a typical two-tower resin plant with Infinity ovens. We start with an automatic loading robot with booking matching available. Then we have a tray inserter with the first drying tower with 30 plus 30 levers, where the slab stays for 1 hour. From position 3 to position 5, we have the resining area composed by an automatic netting system, an automatic resin application with spraying machine, a vacuum machine and a retouching area. After this first stage, we arrive at the second Infinity catalysis tower with 46 plus 36 levers, where the resin slab remains about 90 minutes. Finally, the slab is removed from the tray and proceeds towards the automatic unloader from finishing the resining process. With this solution, we have a production time of 60 slabs per hour, both face resined. In the next slide, with the same resin plant, it is possible to execute the resining of both faces of the slab. As you can see in the slide from point 6 to point 8, the first phase resined returns back to the beginning of the line for the overturning operation thanks to the tray return circuit. Then the overturned slab can proceed for the second phase resin and catalysis operations. All these operations can be done in automatic mode thanks to the tray recognized system. This system allows to optimally manage all the resining phases thanks to a supervising system that constantly keeps under control every tray. Identify for each slab the process it has received or has to receive. Here we have a production time of 30 slabs, 2 phases resin per hour. And now, in this final layout, you can see the maximum production available with the Infinity ovens, 60 slabs per hour with 2 resined phases. In fact, we can extend the plan C in the previous slides, by adding a third tower for the catalysis of the second phase of the slabs. Another interesting characteristic of the infinity oven is the internal deviation. This solution is suggested when we have the automatic loading and unloading system on the same side of the line. But to better understand, let's see this video. Here we have a 3-tower resin plant with infinity ovens. As you see, the automatic loading and unloading systems are placed in the same side of the line. This solution, in addition to saving space inside the building, also to have the handling of the material placed in a single area, speeding up the loading and unloading operations and facilitating the supervision by the operator. This is the first drying oven with the maximum capacity of slab storage, 46 liters plus 46 levels. Besides, to improve the drying phase, this oven has been equipped with a dehumidifying system. And now in this area we have the slab restoring part composed by an automatic resin application with SpA machine, an automatic net decoiler machine and retouching area. And now we arrive to the second infinity oven, always 46 plus 46 levers, for the catalysis of the first resonant phase, and then proceeds towards the automatic overturning robot. Now the slab proceeded to the final sector for the second phase resin process. And now here we have the automatic resin application with second SpA machine and the spreading machine for the finishing resin application of the material in all surface of the slab. Finally, the slab is introduced inside the third catalysis tower, always 46 plus 46 level, and returned back in the unloading system thanks by tray return circuit. You have seen how the infinity ovens can be useful and effective in the resin treatment of slabs. Please do not hesitate to contact us for any further information or verification you may need. See you soon!